Welcome back for 2 more jokes in the present simple with present simple structures. So the teacher says to the student, do you know how to conjugate the verb walk? And the student says, yes, I do. And the teacher says, okay, conjugate the verb walk. So the student starts and he says, I walk, you walk. And the teacher says, well, can you, a little faster, a little faster. And the student says, I run, you run, she Oh, he went faster. That's a good one. Come on. And then the teacher says later in the class to the student, do you know any products that come from the West Indies? And the student says, I don't know anything. Oh, she says, of course you do. Where do you get your sugar from? And the student says, we borrow it from our neighbors. But sugar comes from the West Indies. Jokes of the day. So this week has been present simple. Next week we're going to do another verb tense. And remember, if you like it, press the like button, share, subscribe, come back. Here's some stories, here's some jokes, get some English. It's fun stuff. Thank you so much for your support. We're trying to grow. It's going to take a while, but with your help, it can be done. Thank you. Have a good weekend.